Greetings everyone, this is Carter and I own West Dakota Shed, westdakotashedd.com. Western North Dakota's largest shed dealer, locations in Dickinson and Little Missouri Ranch Supply in Bowman. Here we have unit number 228. It is a 12 by 28 utility with the center gable. It has the octagon window in it, the 3x3 windows. Just really a nice, well-lit shed. If you're looking for some additional living space or shed or office, craft spacing, store, you name it. If you want a shed with a lot of space and a lot of light, this is a shed for you. Old Hickory does 90 days same as cash. Rent to own with no credit checks. Build on site. Custom builds. Free delivery region wide. We have not only the sheds, but we also, between sheds and the different styles of sheds, we also have animal shelters, chicken coops, greenhouses, and pretty much any outdoor building you can think of. We got it all. And we have, yeah, we do so much, it's hard to think of all of it in just one little commercial like this. Let's go inside. Again, we got the industrial floor, the 3x3 windows, lots of headroom. That's an 8-foot sidewall. If you're looking for a shed with lots of natural lighting, this is the way to go. That's westdakotashedd.com at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson.